Hi, this is Meghlata from Self-Healing Mastery with Meghlata. Of late, as a healer, I'm coming across a lot of people who are struggling with sleep in the night. People are not able to sleep peacefully in the night. Either they miss the sleep, or even if they sleep on time, they are not able to sleep peacefully. They wake up, with racing thoughts in between the sleep. They wake up and they don't have a good quality of sleep. Seeing a lot of even youngsters struggling with proper good quality sleep in the night after a day's hard work, still people are struggling. I thought I should make a video on this topic. If you like to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you would get notification whenever a new video is released in my channel. Now let's jump into the topic. Today I'm going to guide you through a very simple EFT tapping routine, which when you do, that will help in calming your nervous system, will prepare your body and mind for a deep restorative sleep very naturally. Okay, I'm also going to share a couple of tips, or you can call it as home remedies, through the course of the video. So please do watch till the end of the video. These small things can really help in improving the quality of your sleep. Alright, as a health coach and healer, I have helped hundreds of people in releasing their emotional blocks through EFT tapping or Ho'oponopono or even chakra healing. In today's video, I'm going to use EFT or emotional freedom tapping or technique, whatever you want to call, as a tool for calming your nerves, which will help in drifting you into a peaceful sleep. Before getting into actual tapping, let's understand how it works, why it works. When you're stressed or if you're not relaxed, your body is in a fight or flight mode. Your heart rate is very high, your muscles are tense, and your mind overthinks. So when we do EFT, it works on two levels. Physically, by stimulating your acupressure points, it calms the amygdala in our brain. Amygdala is nothing but the fear center of your brain. And psychologically, I am going to help you replace your anxious thoughts with calming affirmations. Studies show that EFT helps in calming the stress hormones and improve sleep quality. Not only studies prove it, from experience I can tell you this. EFT reduces stress hormones, improves sleep quality, and helps in regulating your nervous system. So before starting, I want you to do a small exercise. On a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being the lowest, 10 being the highest, I want you to rate your stress level, anxiety level, which is stopping you from having a good sleep in the night. Say if your anxiety is very high, rate it as 9, 10. If it is low somewhere, or it can be somewhere in the middle also, 3, 4 also is fine. After that, we can start the EFT tapping. It's alright to sit in a place and do, or if you want to lie down on your bed and do, it's perfectly fine. Only precaution you need to take is, once this video is over, remove the earplugs and keep the phone aside. Sleep peacefully and safely. This much precaution you please take. Now let's start the tapping. Start with the karate chop. This is the Casey point. This is where we start our EFT tapping. You repeat the statement after me. Even though my mind is restless, even though I feel tension in my body, I still choose to love and accept myself. Even though I find it very hard to switch off my mind, I choose to relax consciously and willingly with lots of self-love and acceptance. Even though my nervous system feels overstimulated, I choose to create a calm and safe space for me to sleep peacefully, and I love and accept myself deeply and completely. Now take a deep breath and exhale. Now we are going to tap on the meridians. Okay, the flow will be like this. I'll start from eyebrow point, side of the eye, under the nose, under the lower lip, under the collarbone, to 3 inches below the armpit, middle of your head. This is how the flow of tapping will happen. And you can visualize your tapping point once, and then you can listen to the audio and do. Keep your eyes closed and do. Okay, that will be more effective, especially for drifting into a peaceful sleep. My mind is too active right now. I've been carrying this tension in my mind. I feel restless and uneasy. The stress is keeping me wide awake. When I miss my sleep like this, waking up in the morning next day becomes difficult, and the day doesn't go well. I allow myself to slow down. I am safe to relax now. I choose to release this tension. I am giving myself permission to relax. Relax now. Take a deep breath. Exhale through your mouth. We'll do one more round. I give myself permission to rest. My body has the wisdom to relax. Let me not interfere with my thoughts. I allow my body to relax. I am breathing deeply and slowly. I am sensing the quietening of my mind. My nervous system is settling. Each and every muscle in my body is relaxing. My muscles are becoming softer and softer. I am safe. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am ready for deep sleep. I am allowing the healing to happen in my deep sleep. I am completely at ease and peace with this healing process. I completely love and accept myself. Now relax. Relax your hands. Take a deep breath. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Notice how your body feels now after tapping compared to before tapping. Your mind feels much calmer because when we are tapping on the meridians, it reduces the cortisol level. Cortisol is nothing but a stress hormone that's released in our body when we are stressed, when we are having anxiety attacks. So when you're tapping, it helps in reducing the cortisol level and you automatically feel calmer. If you want a free daily tapping guide for better sleep, click the link in the description box. I am attaching a small PDF freebie for you. You can download it and use it as your guide for your daily practice. Another quick tip I want to share here for promoting your sleep in the night: nutmeg. All of you must be aware of what is nutmeg. It's easily available in Amazon. It's easily available in any provision stores also. It's a very common herb in Indian kitchen. It's commonly called as jaifal in Hindi, and in Tamil they call it as jadika. You can grate a little bit of it in a glass of warm water. Water also is fine. If you don't take milk, it doesn't matter. You get it even in powder form. A pinch of nutmeg powder in a half a glass of water or warm milk, that will help you tremendously. Don't take a lot of it. Excess consumption of nutmeg is not very good. So be careful to take just a pinch. Regularly, when you take it for a week or 10 days, your body will get into the rhythm of having regular sleep. So try this method. If you found this video helpful, like the video, share it with someone who is also struggling to have good night's sleep. If you're helping somebody unconditionally, help will come back to you when you're in need. Share it with somebody who needs it and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with another value-added video. Till then, please take good care of yourself. This is Meghlata signing off with loads of love and tons of good wishes for your good health.